And if you keep on asking, I'll just keep saying so. This isn't what I wanted, it is.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Planner Monday. This video is a fun video in my opinion. It is turning a petite Erin Condren book into a disc-bound system. I did this back in November and I think I accidentally deleted the footage because I couldn't find it anywhere. So I'm going to walk you through kind of how everything looks, and then we're going to be turning one into a disc-bound system together. So without further ado, let's get started. So this was done, like I said, back in November, and this was the October to December one. So when it does get around this time, I can use this. I did go ahead and use some October inserts. As you can see, I covered it up because I was planning on using it, and then I wanted to show y'all this. So if you do cut it up, it doesn't take away much from it if you don't mind it just having the little holes right there, which doesn't bother me at all because you still have your little boxes. And then this is how the monthly is. It doesn't really take up much room. And I have walked through these inserts before. I will put a little card up there showing you the different books that I purchased when they came out. So that is that. And I did take the covers because I thought they would look really good either A, as dividers, or just, I don't know, just really cute in the planner itself. Then I just have some notes. This came from a petite little notebook and I love this pattern. We have another little notes section, just some lined paper. Then we have a little folder. Once again, doesn't take up much room, just kind of cuts off some. And I put the Erin Condren stickers in there for the monthly, which I really like because of that gold foil. Then I did a goal setting journal. I did put the front and back on this one, and I just took 1 month, I believe. I just took some of the inserts. So, and then I put all my extra inserts into this little bag that came with the folio. So whenever I would want to go get some more, I can just grab that. So this is the goal setting one that I did. Then I did the budget one as well. And I love this. And so once again, doesn't take off much. And I just did a couple of months in here. And then of course I did the little folder so I could have my budget stickers. So there is that. So this is what I'll be using to put the planner in. Well, just the rings, because I don't know about the cover yet. But if you're unfamiliar with the ARC system, it just has these little discs and you can insert stuff, take stuff out, and all that good stuff. If you are new to my channel, you don't know that this is probably my favorite planner, and if you are a recurring subscriber, you know that I love the ARC system. And if you're new, go ahead and hit that red button down below and subscribe, because I would love if you would be part of my channel. So this is what that is. I probably won't be using these discs. I have a bunch of extra discs in this little container that I probably will be using. I kind of want to use those silver ones that are from Martha Stewart. I just put all my extra discs in this little container use. So now that that's out of the way, so all you'll need to do this is some scissors, a petite planner, any kind of notebook. You can do this to about anything. You just might have to make your own cover. So you have a string that is down the spine, just like any book, and you're just going to cut this. And this is so tedious and I got tired of doing it. So what you're gonna do is you are going to cut all along the line. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So you can see this is the January through March. And I will only be doing one book because, like I said, it is tedious, but you can do it with any of them. Here's the meal planner one, and then the wellness log you can do it with, and then here's the monthly calendar, which is my editorial calendar, but I am not going to do it to this one because I just put this in my purse and have it on the go. So you just find this and you just snip it all, and I'm left-handed, so this is a lot harder to do on camera.
Strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe.
Okay, so once you have taken the string out of the spine, it should come out really easily, and if not, just take your scissors and there we go. So then we have your sorry. You have your cover. Me personally, I would not throw this away. I would just keep it, and then you can trim it and then hole punch it and put it in the book. So here is how it is. So you just find the center. You just need to pull out the string. So once you have the string pulled out, you're going to want to take your paper trimmer. So this is the paper trimmer that I have. Sorry about the glare of my ring light. So this is just the paper trimmer I have. Super simple. I've had this for years and it has done such a great job standing up. So I would highly recommend this brand. I got it from Michael's. So I'm going to try to get this out of glare. So anyway, you are going to take it and cut right down the middle. I use the lines as a reference. So this is how I do it. So I just find the ones I'm going to do. I'm not going to do all of these on the screen because it would just take way too long. But so basically you find the line. So let's do a couple. You line it up. And you cut. And I do leave just the little bit that's on the side because in the long run it will be okay once you hole punch it. This is how we're going to want to staple it. You don't want to hole punch it on the side that is rounded and all pretty. And then what we do, it's already on junior. So if you have the arc one, you have different little words right here. So this says junior. We have letter A4 and then that's it. So we want junior. And sorry if you hear Callie in the back. So I just lined it up like that. You press down and then voila. And then it's perfect. So you just keep doing it. Just make sure you push all the way in. Make sure it's all the way down.
But it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way. And
now that I am looking at it, I did cut off more than that because none of these have it. But you could just leave it like that if you wanted to. So you could just cut off that, but it's been so long I did end up cutting that because I think it bothered me. But if you want to, you don't have to because I think this is a regular size. But just for the purpose of this video, we're gonna go ahead and take this out so I can show you. So this is what it looks like when it's all set up. So you could just do this and then use the back of this planner for the back right here if you wanted to. Let's see. So once you have everything set up, you could even take off the front, probably not the back cover because it has the folder, but you could probably find another cover that doesn't, or even take off the folder of this and laminate it so it's a little bit more sturdier. And then I just put one of these Erin Condren, I don't know what they call these, but I'll link them down below, and just put it like that so it's all together. And of course, if you decide to do all the petite planners, it will be a little bit thicker than this, but this is just how it looks. So then we have, once you have your calendar, which this isn't the current calendar, you would have the budget book and the front and back of it, the goal setting, and then I just did these for some notes. And this is all that I want in this planner because it is going to go in my purse. So I wanted it very light, but I am probably going to laminate this, just put it in a little sleeve because the cover is not the most durable for your purse. And then voila, and then there we go. So yeah, that was turning a petite Erin Condren planner into a Discbound system. I hope y'all all had a wonderful Monday, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!